Multiply a number by 99, 999, or 4 times 9, 5 times 9. If you know the logic, it can be applicable to any of the digit count. So let's take example 74 to multiply with 99. The prerequisite condition is one of the digits should have only nines, and the second condition is digit count of both the numbers should be same. You can see two digit number to multiply with two digit number. So all the prerequisite conditions are fulfilled. So the logic start now. Divide it in two parts, left part, right part. Now pick the number other than 9, 74. Decrease the number by 1, 73. 74 minus 1 will be 73. So for the left part you are done. Now for the right part, pick first left digit 7. Subtract it from 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2. Next, pick another digit 3. Subtract again this from 9. 9 minus 3 will be 6. Let me show it to you. 74 to multiply with 99. Now pick a bigger number, 3 digit number, 847 to multiply with 999. The prerequisite condition is both the numbers should have same digit count. So we have 3 in both. And the next is one of the digits should have only nines. So one of the digit is having only nines. Prerequisite condition is satisfied. Now create left part, right part. Pick the number other than nines. Subtract it by 1. 847 minus 1 will be 846. So for the left part you are done. Now for the right part, pick first left number 8. Subtract it from 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Now pick second number 4. Subtract 4 from 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Now pick third number 6. Subtract 6 from 9, you will get 3. So the answer is 846153. Let's check. 847 into 999. 846153. Now I am taking 4 digit number. Both the numbers are 4 digit and one of the number is having only 9s. So prerequisite conditions are satisfied. Create left part and right part. Pick the number other than 9. Reduce this number by 1. Answer will be 8475. Now for the left part we are done. For the right part, pick first digit. Subtract it from 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Pick second 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Pick third 7. 7 to subtract with 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2. Now pick the last digit 5. Again subtract it from 9. 9 minus 5 will be 4. So the answer will be 84751524. Let's check it. 84751524. So the answer is correct. Now children, the logic is applicable only when the digit count is same. But in the current question you can see 9 are having the 2 digit, however 4 is having single digit. You have to think in your mind, can I make 4 as 2 digit number? Then immediately answer comes as yes, you can make it. Then think how? Just put a 0 before it. Now 04 and 99 you have. Both the numbers are 2 digit number and one of the number is having 9 only. Both the conditions are satisfied. Once the condition got satisfied, you can apply the logic which we learned. Left part, right part, pick the number other than 9 is 04. Reduce it by 1. 04 minus 1 will be 03. For the left part we are done. For the right part, pick first number, subtract it from 9. So 9 minus 0 will be 9. Pick the second digit 3. Subtract it from 9. 9 minus 3 will be 6. So the answer is 396. 4 into 99. Cool. Take one more example. In this case you can see first number is having 2 digit, second number is having 4 digit. You have to make 2 digit number as 4 digit. So just you have to prefix 20 here. 20 here. Now the condition is satisfied. Both the number having the same digit count and one of the number is having 9s only. So we can apply the logic. Left part, right part, pick the number other than 9, 0076, reduce it by 1, you will get 0075. For the left part, you are done. Now work for the right part. Pick the first digit, subtract it from 9, 9 minus 0 will be 9. Pick the second digit, subtract it from 9, 9 minus 0 will be 9 again. Pick the third digit 7, subtract it from 9, 9 minus 7 will be 2. And pick the last digit 5, again tries to subtract it from 9, 9 minus 5 will be 4. At the final stage we can remove the prefix zeros because both the numbers are same. So final answer will be 759924. Let's check it. 759924. So children, this is the logic. You can take the screenshot if required for the future reference. Children, these are the questions for your practice. Please like and share with your friends to share the knowledge. Thank you so much for your valuable time.